Hi, Kara Sheftel here with Boston Document Systems. Today, let's talk about what goes into pricing those service contracts. There are some things in your control as far as keeping that cost low. If your device is placed in a high traffic or high dirt environment, that can also affect the performance of your machine and how often we need to come out and service it. The more service calls, the higher the cost. That's why it's really important to update your device on a regular basis, every 3 to 7 years, depending on how your environment is working and how much you use your device. Some devices are more efficient than others, and so preventative maintenance also plays a part into the overall cost. At Boston Document Systems, we get your device on a regular preventative maintenance program to ensure that you don't have emergent calls. This makes it easier for us to service and plan ahead of time to alleviate the expense.